All right, fine. So now we are going to work on the next lesson. Before that, I will just handle a few questions from you all. So Ritvik, what is your question?
Sir, my question was when we will get the notes about all the lectures or regular lecture notes?
Everybody has got the notes. So you haven't got it. You haven't got the notes, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just do one thing. You just make a call to Bhushan sir. Okay. He will solve your queries. Otherwise, I will solve your query. All right.
And sir, I want to ask you one thing. How should we use that application of your Inspiring Academy? Because I've gone through the application. There are study lectures and that all things.
So you got the batch in your application?
No, sir. I didn't know about all that.
Okay, fine. I will help you out. I will help you out, Rutvik. I will help you out. All right. So now you do one thing. Have you been added in the batch or not? You just
Yes, sir. I have joined the batch of 2 o'clock.
No. In the application, I am talking about in the application.
Okay.
In the application, you have that batch, and in that batch, all the study material is there, all the videos and audios, everything is available in the batch. All right, fine. So today we'll do one thing, Rutvik. We'll just complete our this today's lesson, and you just call tomorrow in the morning to Bhushan sir. All right, and just get it done, get all things done. I will also make him a call, and I will also talk to him about your concern, and then we will solve it. And we will make you a call. All right.
Okay, sir.
Okay, fine. So today we are going to work on our third topic, because now we have to go ahead with the speaking practice, right? So in the morning, in the afternoon, we talked about we have talked about all the grammar points. Okay, grammar points. But today, now we are going to work on speaking English. So for that, we just needed we are working on a important vocabulary which is necessary to speak in English. So I'm just going to show you one presentation PPT, that PDF, so it will be helpful for you to get the detailed knowledge of English. So we are working on the first vocabulary chart, that is vocabulary number 1 to 35. That is vocabulary number 1 to 35. We just started yesterday, but today we are going to continue with this. Okay, today we are going to I will just have an explanation about this. See, have uses are very important in English. Have uses are very important in English. So in English, we use simple present tense of the have vocabulary. Simple present tense to describe the have vocabulary more. Simple present tense in I group and he group, then simple past tense in I group and he group, and simple future tense in I group and he group. And sometimes we use present continuous tense. Like, do you have a computer? Do you have a computer? This is simple present tense. So you can use do I have a computer? Do we have a computer? Do you have a computer? Do you have a computer? Do they have a computer? Do Ram and Sham have a computer? Then does he have a computer? In he group, it is third person, So with the third person, we use does. So does he have a computer? Does she have a computer? Does it have a computer? Does Ram have a computer? Got it? And in past, we use did to make the questions, because here we are not going to see all the structures in details, because we are going to study those all details in English grammar. But here we are going to work on the speaking activities more. So in did, we use did I have, did we have, did you have, did you have, did they have, did Ram and Sham have, did he have, did she have, did it have, and did Ram have. Then in future, we use shall for I and we, and then will for others. Shall I have, shall we have, will you have, will you have, will they have, will Ram and Sham have, will he have, will she have, will it have, and will Ram have. In this way, we use a lot of questions with the uses of have. With the uses of have. So now I am going to ask you the questions. Okay, Rutvik, Nandini, Vijay, Shipra, I am going to ask you the questions, and you are going to answer me. You are going to answer me, and then later on you are going to ask me the questions, and I am going to answer you, because I want you to get the confidence to ask the questions. Because asking question is like commanding. Asking questions, it means ruling the audience. Ruling the audience. If you want to make the people talkative, you should know to ask the questions. You should know to ask the questions. All right. Ritvik, answer me. For a few questions, Ritvik will answer. Then Shipra, then Nandini, then Vijay in this way. Okay, Ritvik, answer me. Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a computer.
Okay. Did you have a computer 2 years ago?
Yes, I was having a computer 2 years ago.
Okay, listen to my question again, Ritvik. Did you have a computer 2 years ago? Yes, I had a computer.
Yes, I had a computer 2 years ago.
Will you have a computer? Will you have a supercomputer after 10 years?
Yes, I should,
have.
or I would have.
I will have. It's also correct.
I will have a supercomputer
After 10 years. All right, fine. Do you have a small house in your village?
Yes, I have a small house in my village.
Okay. Did you have a small house in the city? You
Yes,
can answer in yes and no, both, no problem. Did you have a small house in the city?
Yes, I have a small house in the city.
Did you have a? Yes, I had a. Or no,
Yes,
I did not have a. Any questions, any answers out of these two? Did you have a small house in the city?
Yes, I did have a small house in.
No, I
the
did
city.
have. Yes, I had a small house in the city.
Okay.
Second form, we use second form. Have, had. In answers with simple past tense only. Okay. Did you have a small house in the city?
Yes, I had a small house in the city.
Okay. Will you have enough money to buy a computer after 3 months?
Yes, I will have enough money to buy a computer after 3 months.
Okay. When do you have a breakfast?
I have my breakfast in the morning.
When did you have a breakfast today?
I had my breakfast in the morning today.
When will you have a breakfast tomorrow?
I will have the breakfast tomorrow morning.
Okay. Okay. Where do you have a party? Always. Like usually, where do you have a party?
I will have a party.
I have a party in the house.
I have a party in a hotel.
Okay. And where did you have your last party? Where did you have your last party?
I had my last party in the hotel.
And where will you have your next party?
I will have my next party in the hotel.
Got it. Got it. Now you got it corrected. All right, fine. Shipraji. Okay, when do you have a which classes? Okay, when do you have a class? When do you have an English class?
I have English class at 8:30 o'clock.
Okay, and when did you have your last English class?
I had my last English class yesterday.
Okay, when will you have your next online class?
I shall have my next English online class tomorrow.
Okay, do you have a tea?
No, I don't have a tea.
Then what do you have in the afternoon?
I have juice in the afternoon. I had juice in the afternoon.
I have juice in the afternoon. That is, मैं afternoon को juice लेती हूँ, ऐसा अर्थ होता है उसका. Okay, when did you have a juice today?
I had juice at 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Today.
Okay, and when will you have a juice tomorrow?
I shall have juice at 9 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay, when did you have a cold? When did you have a cold?
Okay, I had a cold the day before. No.
Yesterday.
The day before yesterday.
Okay, and where do you have your breakfast?
Where do okay. I have my breakfast in the dining room.
Okay, with whom did you have your breakfast yesterday?
I have my breakfast with my daughter and my husband yesterday.
And where will you have your breakfast tomorrow in the morning?
I shall have my breakfast tomorrow in the morning in my hall.
Okay, what do you have in dinner? Sorry, what do you have for dinner? Okay, not in dinner. What do you have for dinner?
I have vegetables and bread for dinner.
Okay, and what did you have for dinner yesterday?
I had biryani for dinner yesterday.
And what will you have for dinner tomorrow?
Okay, I shall have spices. Okay, vegetables and bread tomorrow.
Okay, do you and what time? At what time do you have lunch?
Okay, I had my lunch at 2 p.m.
And with whom do you have your lunch? With whom do you have your lunch?
Okay. I have my lunch with my husband and my daughter.
And where did you have your lunch yesterday?
I had my lunch yesterday in hotel.
Okay, and where will you have your lunch tomorrow?
I will have my lunch tomorrow in Taj Hotel.
Do you have something to eat in your house?
What, sir? Do you have
something to eat in your house?
Yes, I have something to eat in my house.
Okay, what do you have in your house?
I have vegetables, snacks, everything in my house.
Okay, fine, very good. Nandini ji.
Hello, sir.
Okay, hello. Do you have a party?
Sir, मला जरा confused actually.
Do you have a party? Simple विचारले. Do you
Okay.
have a party? Yes, I have
Yes,
a
I
party.
have a party.
Okay. आता when म्हणजे काय उत्तर मध्ये
केव्हा?
वेळ टाकायची आहे फक्त. When do you
Okay.
have a party?
When do you have a party? I have party at yesterday.
नाही, yesterday कशाला? Do you म्हणजे तुम्ही पार्टी कधी करता असा अर्थ होतो.
Okay.
बघा, मी तुम्हाला अंतर सांगतो, अंतर. When do you have a party म्हणजे तुम्ही पार्टी कधी करता, म्हणजे रेग्युलरली तुमची पार्टी कधी असते असा त्याचा अर्थ झाला. आणि
Okay.
when did you have a party म्हणजे तुमची पाठीमागची
Yesterday.
पार्टी केव्हा होती,
Okay.
तुमची पार्टी केव्हा होती. आणि when will you have a party म्हणजे तुमची नंतरची पार्टी केव्हा असेल, फ्युचर मध्ये पार्टी केव्हा असेल. दॅट इज will you have. Do you have, will you have आणि will you have.
Okay.
Got
Sir.
it? Okay.
Yes.
When do you have a party?
When do you have party? मग कधी असेल ना सर?
कधी असते?
Okay.
I have a party
कधी
on
असते?
Sunday. I have a
Yes.
party on the last day of the month. I have a
Okay.
party after getting success. Anything, you know.
Okay.
कधी असते ना. When do you have a party? On Sunday उत्तर द्या. When do you have a party?
I have on Sunday.
I have a party on Sunday. Okay. When do you
I
have
have
a party?
party on Sunday.
Okay. And when did you have a last party?
I had party at yesterday.
On yesterday, correct. I had a party yesterday. आता with whom did you have a party?
With whom?
Did you have a party?
मग कसं करू सर ते?
With whom did you have a party म्हणजे तुम्ही कोणावर पार्टी केली? I had a
I
party.
had party my friends with my friends.
Correct. Okay. And where म्हणजे कोठे? Where did you have a party? In the hotel, in the restaurant, or in the bungalow? Where did you have a party?
I had party in hotel. In the hotel.
Okay, in the hotel. Got it?
Yes.
I'll just repeat again. Okay, I'll just repeat
Okay.
again. Do you have a party?
Yes, I have a party.
Okay. When do you have a party?
I have party on Sunday.
झालं, हे सिंपल झालं, सिंपल प्रेझेंट झालं. आता सिंपल पास्ट घेतोय.
Okay.
Did you have a party yesterday?
Yes, I had party yesterday.
Where did you have a party yesterday?
I had party yesterday for Lonavala.
Where? Okay.
Lonavala.
At Lonavala.
At
Not in
Lonavala.
Huh. Okay. With whom did you have a party?
Yes, I had party with my friends.
With my friends. Okay. आता simple future पुढचं विचारतोय. Will you have a party tomorrow? हा. Okay. Will you have a party tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Will you have a party tomorrow? Yes, I will have a party tomorrow. Okay. Will you
Yes,
have a
I
party
will have
tomorrow?
a party.
Okay. Where will you have a party?
I will have a party for Mahabaleshwar at Mahabaleshwar.
In Mahabaleshwar.
In Mahabaleshwar.
With whom will you have a party?
Yes, I will have a party with my family.
With my family. Okay. Okay. Got it in this way. Same आता उत्तर दुसऱ्या बरोबर लिहा. Have a meeting बरोबर. Okay.
Okay.
Do you have a meeting?
Yes, I have a meeting.
When do you have a meeting?
Yes, sir.
When do you have a meeting?
I have meeting on the restaurant.
नाही when where नाही विचारलं when कोठे नाही विचारलं केव्हा विचारलं
Kadhi. Okay. I have party
I
at
have a meeting.
4 o'clock.
when do you have a meeting?
When do you have meeting? कधी येणार ना सर?
हा मग
कधी
बरोबरच
केव्हा
आहे.
केव्हा?
फक्त मीटिंग
Okay.
बोला तिथं.
I have meeting at 4 o'clock.
With whom did you have a meeting?
When did you? I had meeting with my.
शांतपणे तुम्ही मनातलं काय विचारू नका.
Okay, sir.
Where माझा प्रश्न काय होता? Where do you have a meeting? Do विचारलं मी did नाही विचारलं. Where do you have a meeting?
I have meeting for my office.
In the office.
In the office.
झालं आता पास्ट विचारतोय didचं विचारतोय.
Okay, sir.
Did you have a meeting yesterday?
Yes, I had meeting yesterday.
Okay, where did you have a meeting?
I had meeting at my office
Okay,
yesterday.
with whom did you have a meeting?
With
whom? पुन्हा बरोबर
With
झाली. With whom did you have a meeting?
yes, I had meeting my boss
My boss.
yesterday.
Okay, will you have a meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I will have meeting tomorrow in my office.
Where will you have a meeting tomorrow?
Yes, I will have a meeting
In my office.
in my office.
Okay, good. समजलं असंच बोलायचं आहे. Okay, विजय.
प्रॅक्टिस करावी लागेल सर
Yes, sir.
मला बिकॉज जरा थोडस कन्फ्युज होत
Hello?
नाही ते स्पीकिंगचं काय डोक्यात घेऊ नका कारण का
Okay, sir.
स्पीकिंग कॉन्फिडन्स वाढायला भरपूर वेळ लागतो.
ओके
ग्रामरचे कडे जास्त कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन करा.
येस सर
स्पीकिंगची बॅच कधीही मिस करायची नाही कोणीही.
नाही सर
Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you all. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Do you
Sir?
have an argument? Yes, please.
सर ऍक्च्युली आम्हाला एका प्रोग्रामला जायचं होतं आता.
Okay,
तर मला एक 5 मिनिटानंतर लिव्ह करता येईल का सर?
हो नक्की. Don't worry. It's okay.
ओके सर.
Okay, bye. Take care. Yeah, Vijay, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you have a class?
Yes, I have a class.
Okay. When do you have a class?
I have
I
I
have
have
a
a
class
class
at 9
tomorrow.
o'clock, at 8 o'clock. नाही मी दररोजचं विचारतोय. When do you have a class?
okay. I have a class on 8:30 p.m.
Okay, very good. Did you have a class yesterday?
Yes, I have a class.
Yesterday's विचारतोय past. Did you have a class yesterday?
Yes. I had a class yesterday 2 p.m.
एवढंच. आता प्रश्न विचारतोय दुसरा. When did you have a class?
I had a class
At
yesterday 2 p.m.
at 2 p.m. Where आता विचारतोय where म्हणजे कोठे. Where did you have a class? Online. I had a class online.
I had a class online mode.
Okay, आता future विचारतोय future. Will you have a class tomorrow?
Yes,
I will have a
will
class
असेल का
tomorrow.
सर याच्यामध्ये?
हा will येणार. Will you have a
I
class
will have
tomorrow?
a class.
Tomorrow.
काय सर परत रिपीट कर?
Will you have a class tomorrow?
Yes, I will have a class tomorrow.
Okay, where will you have a class tomorrow?
I will have a class tomorrow
At,
school.
okay. With whom will you
At,
have a
at
class tomorrow?
school.
With whom will you have a class tomorrow?
My teacher.
I will have a class with my teacher, huh?
I will have a class my teacher.
With my teacher.
With my teacher.
Okay, very good. Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I have a laptop.
Okay, आता सिंपल प्रश्न विचारतोय. How many laptops do you have?
I have laptop.
I have one laptop, two laptops, three laptops.
I have 2 laptops.
हा, आता हेच पास्ट मध्ये विचारतोय. Did you have a laptop 3 years ago? Yes, I had a laptop 3 years ago. Simple. Did you have a laptop 3 years ago?
I had a laptop 3 years ago.
Okay, okay. Which laptop did you have?
I have a laptop.
had-
Dell. I had a laptop.
I had
Dell.
a Dell laptop.
Dell company.
I had Dell company's laptop. Okay. Will you have a laptop tomorrow?
Yes, I will have laptop tomorrow.
Okay, okay, very good. I think you're some problem. Okay, so in this way, yeah, Ritvik, in this way we talked about some about have uses. I just want to talk